everyone! Today I want to talk about the wonderful city of Paris. Paris is one of the most beautiful cities in the world, known for its rich culture, stunning architecture, and delicious cuisine. But it's more than just a city, it's a feeling, an experience, and a memory that will last a lifetime. When I first heard about Paris, I was immediately drawn to its beauty and romance. The city has a unique charm that captures the heart and soul of anyone who visits. The city is filled with love, art, and history, making it the perfect place for anyone who loves culture and adventure. If you're thinking of visiting Paris, I highly recommend it. The best time to visit is in the spring or fall, when the weather is mild and the city is filled with beautiful flowers and foliage. However, no matter when you visit, there's always something to do and see in Paris. One of the most iconic landmarks in Paris is the Eiffel Tower. This stunning steel structure is over 2,000 feet tall and is a must-see for anyone visiting the city. The tower offers stunning views of the city and is a perfect spot for a romantic stare or a selfie with your significant other. Paris is also known for its museums and galleries. The Louvre Museum is one of the most famous museums in the world, housing a vast collection of art from around the world. The museum is home to some of the most famous works of art, such as the Mona Lisa and the Winged Victory of Samothrace. Paris is also home to some of the best restaurants in the world. Whether you're in the mood for classic French cuisine or something more modern, a Michelin-starred restaurant that offers stunning views. One of my favorite restaurants in Paris is La Jules Verne of the city while you enjoy your meal. In conclusion, it's a place where culture, art, and romance meet. Paris is a city that should be experienced at least once in a lifetime, creating a unique atmosphere that will stay with you for a lifetime. If you're thinking of visiting Paris, go for it, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more travel content.